Alright, what's going on YouTube? Just making a quick video here today on how to test and find a possible exhaust leak on your car. I've noticed that I've started to have some lawnmower type noises or raspy or sputtering noises coming from my exhaust. I can really tell when I'm going through town or pulling into the garage when there's a lot of noise able to vibrate or echo through the area, and it just hasn't sounded right or felt right. We have gotten a lot of snow lately. I've been driving on this, or driving in it, so maybe some of the parts have been rusted, but for those of you that don't know how to test, here is what I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using some soap, just some soap and water, a brass wire brush, and then a vacuum with the air expelling the air through the exhaust system. And what will happen is you spray your entire exhaust down, basically where all the welds are, or any bolts from basically the secondary cat all the way up to the headers on at least an older Impreza like this. And when the air pushes that water and soap out of the system, it should show you where the leak is. And so I'm going to do that right now and show you the results. Found the results. I'm just going to be using some of this JB Weld muffler seal for the time being. I don't have a welder just yet, and it's been really cold lately, so I'm just going to use this until I can get my hands on a welder, or yeah, just fix it up a little bit better. This is just temporary, and all I'm going to do is clean up the area with this wire brush, and that should make it easier for this to stick. And then I'm going to wait about 24 hours before I end up driving on this and testing it. Alright, so it's been about 24 hours. Here's a look at this side. I just did the test. No bubbles, no water, or yeah, no bubbles coming out, so looks like it's there. Yes, I went overkill on it because I wanted to make sure this will last at least until the spring. Here is the driver's side. Can't even really tell there, but let's get a cold start and see how it sounds. Much better. Definitely not getting that ticking or anything like that. The real test. Fix a small exhaust leak.